Today, we have an essential topic that affects every aspect of our lives: financial education. In this video, we'll explore the 10 key reasons why understanding money and financial literacy are crucial for everyone. Whether you're a student, young professional, or even nearing retirement, these points will highlight why you need to know about money. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Financial education leads to financial freedom and independence. Understanding how money works empowers you to make informed decisions, manage debt effectively, and avoid falling into financial traps. When you possess financial literacy, you become the master of your financial destiny, rather than being controlled by money-related stress and uncertainty. It allows you to break free from living paycheck to paycheck and escape the shackles of debt. With this newfound freedom, you can pursue your passions and dreams without the constant worry of financial constraints. Moreover, financial independence gives you the ability to support causes close to your heart and contribute positively to society. So, by investing in financial education today, you pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling tomorrow. Number 2. Investing basics. Learning about money and investing basics is vital. It allows you to grow your wealth, beat inflation, and plan for your retirement effectively. When you understand the fundamental principles of investing, you can make well-informed choices that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can mitigate risks and maximize returns. Moreover, financial education helps you grasp the concept of compounding, where your money generates earnings, and those earnings, in turn, generate more earnings. This compounding effect, over time, can significantly boost your wealth and provide a secure financial future. Remember, investing wisely requires patience and discipline, and with the right knowledge, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the financial markets. Number 3. Avoiding scams. Financial literacy protects you from falling victim to scams and fraudulent schemes. You'll be able to spot red flags and make wise decisions when approached with dubious investment opportunities. Scammers often prey on those with limited financial knowledge, promising unrealistic returns and quick riches. However, with a solid understanding of money matters, you can recognize the warning signs of fraudulent schemes, such as high-pressure sales tactics, guaranteed profits, and promises of get-rich-quick schemes. Financial education also teaches you to research and verify investment opportunities, check the credentials of financial advisors, and understand the risks associated with various investments. By being vigilant and informed, you can safeguard your hard-earned money and protect yourself from potential financial disasters. Remember, an ounce of prevention through financial education can save you from a pound of financial loss. Number 4. Navigating economic challenges. During economic challenges, financial education becomes your lifeline. You'll have the knowledge to make strategic adjustments, safeguard your assets, and stay afloat. Economic downturns, like recessions or market crashes, can have a profound impact on personal finances and businesses alike. However, with a solid understanding of financial principles, you can adapt to changing circumstances and protect your financial well-being. Financial education equips you with the ability to create a robust emergency fund, diversify your income streams, and identify areas where you can cut costs without compromising your essential needs. Moreover, during tough economic times, being well-versed in investing can help you identify undervalued assets and take advantage of potential opportunities for long-term growth. By staying informed and prepared, you'll be better positioned to weather economic storms and emerge stronger on the other side. Number 5. Building wealth. Financial education opens doors to building wealth over time. You'll explore various investment vehicles, compound interest, and other wealth-building strategies. Building wealth isn't just about earning a high income. It's about making your money work for you. With financial literacy, you'll discover the power of compound interest, where your investments generate earnings, and those earnings, in turn, generate even more earnings. This compounding effect can significantly accelerate your wealth growth, especially when you start early and stay consistent. Moreover, understanding different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, empowers you to create a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Financial education also emphasizes the importance of setting clear objectives, being disciplined in your savings and investment habits, and having a long-term perspective. By following these principles, you can steadily build wealth, achieve financial security, and enjoy a more prosperous future. Number 6. Passing on knowledge. When you have financial education, you can pass on your knowledge to your children and future generations. Breaking the cycle of financial illiteracy is crucial for building stronger economies. As parents and mentors, we have a responsibility to educate the next generation about money management. By instilling basic financial principles in our children from an early age, we empower them to make informed decisions about saving, spending, and investing. Teaching the value of money, the importance of budgeting, and the benefits of delayed gratification can set them on a path towards financial success and independence. Moreover, when more individuals possess financial literacy, the collective impact leads to more informed and responsible financial choices on a societal level. This, in turn, contributes to a more stable and prosperous economy, reducing poverty, and fostering economic growth. Passing on financial knowledge is a gift that can positively influence the lives of future generations and create a lasting legacy of financial empowerment. Number 7. Empowerment. Financial education empowers individuals and communities. It reduces poverty and creates opportunities for upward mobility. When people are equipped with financial knowledge, they gain the confidence and ability to take control of their economic circumstances. By understanding personal finance concepts, such as budgeting, saving, and investing, individuals can break free from the cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living and escape the clutches of poverty. Financial education fosters a sense of self-reliance, enabling people to make informed choices that align with their long-term goals. In turn, this creates a ripple effect within communities, as financially empowered individuals contribute to local economies and help build more sustainable societies. Moreover, access to financial education can bridge the wealth gap and provide marginalized communities with tools to achieve upward mobility and economic stability. By empowering individuals and communities, financial education becomes a catalyst for positive change and a key driver of social and economic progress. Number 8. Understanding economic news. Staying updated on economic news becomes more accessible with financial education. You'll comprehend how global events impact your finances and can adjust your strategies accordingly. Financially literate individuals have the ability to interpret complex economic data and understand its implications on personal finances. Whether it's changes in interest rates, shifts in market trends, or fluctuations in commodity prices, having a grasp of economic news empowers you to make informed decisions. For example, during times of rising inflation, you'll know how to protect your purchasing power by investing in inflation-resistant assets like real estate or precious metals. Moreover, understanding global economic interdependencies helps you diversify investments and reduce exposure to regional risks. Financial education enables you to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape, ensuring that you're not caught off guard by economic shifts, but rather prepared to make prudent financial choices for a secure future. Number 9. Secure retirement. Understanding money ensures a secure retirement. You'll be equipped to plan for your retirement early, avoiding the stress of not having enough savings later in life. Financial education emphasizes the importance of starting retirement planning as soon as possible. By understanding the power of compounding and long-term investments, you can set aside smaller amounts over a more extended period, which can accumulate into a substantial retirement fund. Moreover, financial literacy teaches you about retirement accounts such as 401ks or IRAs and the tax advantages they offer. This knowledge allows you to take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and make strategic contributions to maximize your retirement savings. Being well-informed about retirement options also helps you estimate how much you'll need to maintain your desired lifestyle during retirement, and adjust your savings and investment strategies accordingly. By planning ahead, you can enjoy a stress-free retirement, free from financial worries, and have the freedom to pursue your passions and interests in your golden years. Number 10. Living a fulfilling life. Last but not least, financial education contributes to living a fulfilling life. When you have control over your finances, you can focus on what truly matters to you, such as pursuing hobbies, supporting causes, and spending quality time with loved ones. Financial literacy gives you the freedom to align your financial resources with your values and aspirations. Instead of being burdened by constant financial stress, you can redirect your energy towards personal growth and meaningful experiences. With a well-managed budget and a clear financial plan, you can pursue your passions and invest in self-improvement without guilt or worry. Moreover, the ability to support causes close to your heart brings a sense of purpose and satisfaction. Financial education fosters a sense of financial security and emotional well-being, allowing you to build stronger relationships and create cherished memories with your family and friends. Ultimately, living a fulfilling life is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about using your financial knowledge to create a life that is rich in experiences, contentment, and the joy of giving back to the community. And there you have it, the 10 importance of financial education and why you need to know about money. Remember, learning about money is a lifelong journey, and every step you take towards financial literacy will have a positive impact on your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and stay financially informed.